Hi everyone! Let's get building for the strongest shape challenge. You'll need 3 pieces of paper, printer paper or construction paper will do, some tape, and a little bit later, a pile of books to test the strength of each of your columns. Your first piece of paper will make our rectangular prism. Start by folding your paper in half short ways and make a strong crease. Unfold your paper and bring one edge to the middle crease and make your fold. You'll do the same with the other side. Bring the edge of the paper towards the middle crease and fold. As you unfold all your new creases and connect the edge of the paper, you'll see your rectangular prism forming and you can see the square end. Next, you'll tape the paper ends together by pinching them together and wrapping the tape around. If you're doing this challenge alone, I find it very helpful to pre-cut your pieces of tape. I started with one at each end and then one in the middle. After the first few pieces, I suggest adding tape all the way down the length of your prism to make it as sturdy as possible. For the triangular prism, we need to do what is called a trifold. Bring one side of your paper all the way under the other. Squish the paper down in this position and make your folds. You should have 3 even sections. Open it up to connect the ends and see your triangle. Add tape to this long edge just like we did for the first column. Our cylinder is the easiest, no folding for this one. Gently wrap your paper to connect the ends, overlapping them a little bit. Tape it up like you did the others. Look at our awesome structures. Let's put them to the test. Give yourself some space and start piling books on top of one column at a time. How many books can each of your columns hold? Which one is the strongest? Collect your results and keep reading to learn how what we've just tested helps engineers make design decisions.